Hello everyone, welcome back to learnWebCoding. My name is Durgesh Sahani, and in this sixth episode of our Solid Principles in PHP series, we are going to learn the Dependency Inversion Principle in PHP. In the previous video, we learned the interface segregation principle. In this video, we will understand why high-level classes should depend on abstractions instead of concrete implementations. Before jumping into the code, let me quickly show you what we are going to cover in this video. What dependency inversion principle means in PHP. Why high-level classes should depend on abstractions instead of concrete classes. How to create a notifier contract with multiple implementations. How to inject dependencies into a service cleanly. How swapping implementations becomes easy with abstractions. And finally, how to run and verify the output from the terminal. So let us start with a practical example. Suppose we are building an order system where the service should be able to send notifications through email or SMS without changing the service itself. If the high-level order service directly depends on email monitor or SMS notifier, then the service becomes tightly coupled to concrete classes. The dependency inversion principle tells us that both high-level and low-level modules should depend on abstractions. The first step is to define the notifier interface. This gives us the abstraction that every notifiers will follow. Inside this interface, I am declaring the send method. Any notification channel can now implement this common contract. Now I am creating the email nometer class. This is one low-level implementation of the notifier abstraction. Inside the send method, I'm returning the email notification response. Now I'm creating the SMS notifier class. This is another implementation of the same abstraction. Inside the send method, I am returning the SMS notification response. The high-level service should be able to use either implementation without changing its own logic. Now I am creating the order service class. This is our high-level module. Inside the constructor, I'm injecting the notifier abstraction instead of any concrete notifier class. And here inside the placeOrder method, the service simply delegates the notification work to the injected notifier. Finally, inside the index file, I am including all the required classes so we can test the complete DIP example from the terminal. Now I'm creating the service with email monitor and placing a sample order. This shows that the service depends only on the abstraction, not on one specific implementation. Now let me add a short comment guide so we can connect the code structure with the dependency inversion principle. Here, the notifier interface is the abstraction that both sides depend on. Email nometer is one low-level implementation of that abstraction. SMS notifier is another implementation we can swap in whenever we need. An order service depends on notifier instead of a concrete notifier class. Now I'm printing the result from the service so we can verify the flow from the terminal. Let us run the code from the terminal and check the output. You can see that the output stays simple and clear, and the service works through the notifier abstraction. That is exactly the goal of the dependency inversion principle. So to summarize this video, we created a notifier abstraction, implemented multiple low-level classes, and kept the high-level service independent from concrete implementations. This principle is very useful in real projects because it reduces coupling, makes dependencies easier to swap, and keeps services more flexible and testable. That is all for this video. We have now completed our solid principles in PHP series. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Share this video with other PHP developers and do not forget to subscribe to LearnWebCoding for future updates.